Welcome back, everyone. Last week we learned how to give our programs the power to make decisions using conditionals. This week, we're learning about built-in functions, tools that Python already has ready for us to use. Think about your phone. You don't have to build a calculator app yourself. It's already built in, ready to use the moment you tap it. Python works the same way. A built-in function is a tool that's already created for you inside Python. You don't have to write it from scratch. You just call it, and it does the work. The formal structure looks like this: function name, then parentheses, then a parameter inside those parentheses. You've actually been using built-in functions this whole time without even realizing it. Print displays text in the console. That's how your program talks to you. Input does the same thing, but it also lets the user respond and type something back. This is huge for making interactive games and chatbots. And int converts whatever you give it into an integer. Super useful when you want to compare a typed answer to a number. Here's where it gets fun. Imagine using input to ask the user a question and storing their answer in a variable. Then, you can use an if statement to compare that variable to different possible responses. You can even combine int with input to convert the user's text answer into a number. Because remember, you can't normally compare a string to an integer. This combo, input, variables, and conditionals, is exactly how chatbots and interactive games are built. Now it's your turn. Try building your very own simple chatbot using input, print, and an if statement. Ask the user a question, store their response, and use a conditional to reply differently depending on what they say. Don't worry about making it perfect. The goal is just to see these built-in functions working together in real time. Built-in functions are like a toolbox Python hands you for free. The more of them you learn, the faster and more powerful your programs become. Next week, we're leveling up even further, creating our own custom functions. See you then.